Hi, I'm Adrienne, and I'm here on our farm in northwestern New Jersey, Mad Lavender Farm. It's April and still a little chill in the air, and it's time to plant some lavender. So I prepared my soil. I put a handful or so of rocks in it, some gravel, and I mounded my soil to give it good drainage. Your lavender is going to want full sun and a little bit of gravel in the soil for good drainage. Okay, so I dug the hole just the size I need for my lavender. I fill about halfway with water, take my plant out, put it in, and then you want to keep it mounded really high. You want that lavender to sit high up on the hole and pack it in really well. And don't overwater your lavender. Wait until that soil is bone dry again before you water your lavender plant. Okay, it likes to reach for the water. And you should see your first lavender blooms in June. Happy planting!